Hey everyone, my name is Steve. I am a professional finance coach from past 10 years. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for your financial health, how to boost your credit score in 2024 to 2025. Whether you're planning to buy a house, get a new car, or just want to improve your financial standing, having a good credit score is crucial. So let's get started. First things first, what is a credit score? Simply put, it's a three-digit number that represents your credit worthiness. The higher the score, the better. According to Experian, a good credit score is 670 or higher. But how do you get there? Here are some tips. Tip number 1, pay your bills on time. This might sound obvious, but it's the most important factor in your credit score. Payment history makes up 35% of your FICO score. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. A famous quotation by Suze Orman, "Good credit is a result of good habits. Pay your bills on time, every time." Tip number 2, keep your credit utilization low. This means using less than 30% of your available credit. For example, if you have a credit limit of $10,000, try to keep your balance below $3,000. In his book, Your Score: An Insider's Secrets to Understanding, Controlling, and Protecting Your Credit Score, Anthony Davenport explains that maintaining a low credit utilization rate is one of the quickest ways to boost your score. Tip number 3, check your credit report for errors. Mistakes can happen, and they can negatively impact your score. You can get a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. According to a recent article in Yahoo Finance, nearly 20% of consumers have errors on their credit reports that could affect their scores. It's crucial to review your reports regularly and dispute any inaccuracies. Tip number 4, limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made on your report, which can lower your score. Try to space out your applications and only apply for credit when necessary. Dave Ramsey once said, "Credit is a tool. Use it wisely and it will serve you well." Tip number 5, consider getting a credit builder loan. These are small loans from credit unions designed to help you build credit. They can be a great way to improve your score if you're just starting out or recovering from a financial setback. Now, let's hear what some famous people have to say about managing credit. Financial expert Suze Orman often emphasizes the importance of paying off high-interest debt first, and Warren Buffett advises living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debt. For more detailed tips, check out articles from Experian, Yahoo Finance, and FinMasters. They offer comprehensive guides on improving your credit score in 2024 to 2025. I will mention the link in description. Improving your credit score takes time and discipline, but it's definitely worth it. Remember, every small step you take can make a big difference in the long run. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. See you next time.